Hey everybody, welcome back to Poplar's Custom Cars. We are getting back on the Nova today. I want to finish tacking up that panel, finish getting this firewall cleaned, finish getting these frame rails cleaned, getting everything done so that we can start putting this thing together. This engine's been sitting here for over a year now, ready to go into that car, and I'm tired of going over there every 3 months and spinning over the oiling system so that it pumps up oil to it. So we're going to get that finished up, but before I do that, I have got to put the tire chains on my tractor. I completely forgot about that when I put on the deck. We have snow that's supposed to be coming today, so I want to make sure that I'm ready for it. If you don't have snow chains on your little tractor, get them and watch how well these things work. Your tractor will go through anything. But anyway, I need to get that done, so let's get to it. So the tire chains that I bought last year for the tractor are made by Rugged. I got them off of Amazon. I'll definitely post a link for you. And these are the 20 by 8 by 8 tires on the back of my tractor. It's this going to be the same with multiple types of tractors, but I've been using these and they work really, really well. I've got to take some time this winter when we get a good snow and show you guys just how well this little tractor pushes. It was the cheapest lawn tractor at Tractor Supply, so these things definitely help it push through pretty much anything. I watch my other neighbors come out with theirs, and they don't push half as well as mine does. But I think these chains add a lot to it. But they're the Rugged Performance in Snow and Ice, made by the ROP shop, Rugged Outdoor Products. Definitely, we'll get these put on the tractor. They come in two gigantic sections of chain. So the first thing you got to do when you get them is sort them out. Throw that on the ground. We don't need that where we're going. And of course, you got to freak your dogs out. Candy, go lay down. Go lay down. As you can see, they're kind of tangled up, as they should be, because they've got little hooks on them all over the place. So here's the hook that separates them. And then you've got springs and everything that hold them together, so make sure you got all your springs ready to go. So let's go over to the tractor and let's get it done. The easiest way to do this is back the tractor onto the chains. If I remember right. Got hooks on this side, there would hook on around the wheel. If you lay your chains out like so, pull it all the way up, make sure they're all the way wide. You can back onto them. Just bring your chains up and over the tire. And this, I just hook it on here so it just holds this side, because this is the one that's going to tighten. And then this one, you just hook it to the back. Pull it around, like so. Get it to work, there it goes. And then hook it right into this little hooker right here. Right in there, just like that. Now, grab your spring-loaded suckers. You look, got 5 of them, or 4 of them, I'm sorry. You take the first one straight across. There, then this one goes to the bottom one, and I'm sitting on them too much. Hi, Billy. Look to see how loose that is down there on the bottom, so we want to come backwards a little bit. See if we can get it to tighten. The other side tightened up a lot. So there, see all the slack in the chain here. Bring that all up. Got a little bit hanging over, but let's get that backside tight too. That one, and down to grab the other one. And that's what's always going to be the hardest one to get to, because you're pulling everything tight. Tire chain's on. That's all there is to it. Well, not all there is to it, but that's pretty much how you do it. Everything's nice and tight, ready to go, ready for winter. So now we can get back to the Nova. And it's good to go. Brake. And we're done with the tractor. It's ready for winter. So now that the tire chains are on the tractor, we're good to go. And one of the things you notice when you bring it back into the garage is when you normally come up, it'll slide on these tiles and everything, just because it's kind of slick. The minute you put these tire chains on, it doesn't spin at all. It grabs everything. I do have the trickle charger on it right now. It is showing full, so we're good there. But it's good to leave it on there anyway, just to make sure that everything's ready to go when the cold comes, and the cold will be here. With it parked like this, you saw how I backed it in. That's so I can just go right on out and start pushing snow the minute I go out the door. So with that, that's the only thing I've got to get done today. And now this is ready for winter. Garage is ready for winter. Cars are ready for winter. So with that, like, share, subscribe. Next video tomorrow, we'll be back on the Nova.